What a fox!
Welcome to Banana Chase by Tilly Bear. We're playing 2 more games as well. Yay! And I looked up cute games, so that's how I keep getting 3 games. Whoa. Hey, come back. No, come back. I want you. Come back here. Wait, where am I? Wait, I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, I'm the banana? I'm the banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Look at me, Mom. Yeah. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Look at me, Mom. Yeah, banana power. Banana power. Oh, I love this game. Even though this is like one of these short games, but I still love it. It's like, this person did a good job. I like the background. I think this person drew it, but I like the background. I like the monkey. I don't know if that. I think it's like an image, and I do like these bananas. Where did you get these bananas? I want to know where you got them from. No, fuck you, bitch. No, fuck. No. Okay, fine, have me. No. Jesus, it's eating. Oh God. It's triggered. It doesn't want to eat the banana. Okay, so that's it for one of them. This one is called Dragon Fruit by Halo Y. So I can start this here. So I have to like not get the little blue things. Okay. I like this game. It's really cute though. I like it. Cause like it's like it has good animation. It's got good pictures. Oh God. Wait, I can get these. Oh, so those are like blueberries? Like I thought they were like that. The cherry! The cherry! I needed that cherry! No, why you do this to me? No, the cherry! No, the golden apple! No, the cherry! No, the pear! No! I don't know what's happening to me right now. Just congratulations, you did it! I did it! Yay! I did it! So that's another short game. So this is Flappy Bird. This is no, sorry, not Flappy Bird. It's called Fluffy Bird by Smonkey. That's not. That's... Oh wait, hang on. W and A B. I fucking hate this. No, go back. I didn't make this music. Y'all ears are probably gonna bleed. Warning headphone users, please. Fluffy Bird! I do like the Fluffy Bird though, that's nice. But these animations I can't handle because of I hate using the A, B, W keys. I like the arrow keys. Avoid red. It will kill you to death. It will? Sees me. Really? Can I see? No, I want to see. I want to see. You bitch. Let me see. Let me come. Oh! It's like, it's so sad when it dies. But it get hurt. So it's like, don't touch on emerald spikes, ladies and gentlemen. No. Just gonna pass that. Surpass. Like, bomb. That's how you're happy. Okay, up. And then we must go to the right. We must go to the right. No, then we must go upward more. Then we must go to the right. Then we gotta go up more a little. And then Towards the right. And then we gotta go up a little. Towards the right. Come on, little birdie. You can do this. You can do this, my little dude. Yeah! Sometimes the exit won't work. That is a bug. What do you mean? What do you mean? What is you talking about? What do you mean? S. Oh, I can go down. Okay. It's like using the A. Don't pull me down. It sounds like a Pokemon fight battle. Cut! Why? Why these? Why these? I'm gonna get. The fuck? He sends me all the way back. No! The fuck? I can't. This game's making me laugh. The game's making me laugh. It's so funny. What is this? What is this music? Oh. No! Fuck. Fuck me, please. Can I just do I have to seriously, like, move all the way here and then go up, kind of thing? Because people are using. Oh, no. Oh, no, they don't get hit. It's crying. I don't like it when it cries. It's so sad. It's like, what do you do this to me, human? You're not supposed to torture me like this. I'm not trying to hurt you. I swear to God, it's just this game is like. I swear, if it just sends me all the way back, I'm going to murder myself. Hell, quit refuse. You can't refuse me. No, you can't. Oh. No. Okay, my hardest part is gonna be right around. No, you will not touch that. You will not touch that. No! You can't do this to me! The fuck? What am I supposed to do then? Go all the way up. Oh, damn. How the fuck do I... Wait a second. Oh! I can go through the green thing. You didn't tell me I could do that, game. Give him a cute little wings, cute little heart, cute little. Okay, just pretend I'm queer. I'm here. I came for your money. Okay, just to be fair. I came here for the. Oh, you're not doing this to me, tree. Yes. No, not this! Anything but this! No, you're gonna suffer. See, there it goes. Oh no. Wait. Did they switch my controls? It's like I have to go. Oh, wait, I have to go down. That's why. I have to use S. And then I have to go down, and I gotta use S again. And I have to go down because it's upside down. That's probably why. No, don't hit that edge. What did I just say? Did I just say don't hit the edge? Oh, I thought he was gonna die. Oh, no. No, do not hit the edge. Birdie, you have so much to live for. Birdie, you have so much to fucking live for. Birdie, no, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. The fuck is this? What is you? question. I have questions. Wait, what the fuck? How do... Where did he go? Come back! Oh, it's his nest. It's his mama. Alright, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a like, comment, and sub if you want to be my fox guy. Bye-bye!